To get money off an unemployment card in 2025, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you have received your unemployment debit card in the mail and have activated it. According to the instructions provided, the card is usually issued by the state and is used to receive unemployment benefits. Once the card is activated, you can check the balance on your card by calling the customer service number on the back of the card, visiting the card issuer's website, or using a mobile app if available. Knowing your balance is essential to avoid overdrafts and declined transactions. To withdraw cash from your unemployment card, you can use an ATM. Look for ATMs that do not charge a fee for withdrawals, as some machines may charge a fee for out-of-network transactions. You will need to enter your PIN to complete the transaction. Be aware of the daily withdrawal limits and any applicable fees. Another way to access your funds is by making purchases directly with your card at retailers that accept debit cards. This method is convenient and does not incur ATM fees. You can also use your card to pay bills online or over the phone. For a more convenient and fee-free way to access your money, consider setting up direct deposit from your unemployment card to your personal bank account. This will allow you to transfer funds electronically and avoid any potential fees associated with ATM usage. To do this, you will need your bank's routing number and your account number, which can be found on a check or by contacting your bank. It is crucial to keep track of your spending and balance to ensure you do not overspend. Regularly review your transaction history and balance to stay on top of your finances. If you encounter any issues with your card, such as a lost or stolen card, or if you have questions about your benefits, contact the customer service number on the back of your card for assistance. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently manage your unemployment benefits and access your money when you need it. Always prioritize keeping your card and PIN secure to protect your funds from unauthorized access.